this video, I will show you how to voice search or how you can use voice to search on YouTube. Let me show you how. Open up your YouTube app. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on your search icon. Then go ahead and click on this mic. Once you click on the mic, say whatever you want to say. I'm going to click on the mic right here. In a few seconds, you have the result right here. Okay, now we can ask for another thing. Click on the mic icon again.
How can I use Instagram?
Then you have similar results based on whatever you ask right here. You can use this method to search for anything on YouTube app. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.